Hi everyone.
Kia ora te whanau, tēnā koe.
We're going to do our last book today, which is on whānau, on family.
Yeah.
So we thought we'll show you guys the sign for the Māori word.
Māori word.
Tino pai, okay. Kia ora.
Kia ora, tēnā.
Kia ora. Tēnā koe. Next one is Papa.
Papa.
Dad.
Dad.
Papa.
Papa.
Mama.
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 3 fingers? Yeah. Mama.
Mama.
Tino pai. Mirika.
Mirika.
Milk.
Milk.
Mirika.
Mirika.
Kai.
Kai.
Food.
Food.
Kua mutu.
Kuruma. Mutu.
All done.
All done.
Tino pai. Nuiake.
Nuiake.
More.
More.
Nuiake.
Nuiake.
More.
More.
Kope.
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 Nepi.
Nipe.
Tini.
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 Change.
Change.
Say one.
Whanau.
Whānau.
Whanau.
Hoa.
Hoa.
Friend.
Friend.
Hoa.
Hoa.
Friend.
Friend.
Tapu.
Tapu.
Have a bath.
Bath.
Moi.
Moi.
Have a sleep. Moi. All done. That was our last book.
That's a nice book.
Let's go and practice those. See you guys.
Tēnā pai.
Bye.
Bye 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 bye. Ka kite.